hiccups. Peppa, George, Mommy, and Daddy are having a very great first. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go out to play.
Into the garden?
Into the garden to play. Mommy, please go up to play.
Please, can we?
Please can we go out to play? You can go out to play. You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink it just too quickly. George, don't drink it just.
George drank his juice.
George drink it just too quickly, and now he has hiccups. Can you
Go out.
Can you go to play now, Mommy? Now where George's hiccups? George's hiccups is gone, Mommy. Haven't they, George? Oh, alright.
You can go out.
You can go out to play.
Go out and play.
Play out and play when we.
But
look at the George.
Peppa
and George love playing together.
playing in the garden.
Playing in the garden. George, you throw the ball to me.
No.
I throw the ball.
I'm going to throw the ball.
I'm going to throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop coming. George, I throw the ball.
Now you.
Now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. George's kicker was spoiling the game. I know better than.
I know how to
I know how to better than
cure hiccups.
cure hiccups.
You have to do.
You have to do what I say. Jump.
Love to top.
Rub your top of your head around your tummy. And now.
Good.
Good. Now your hiccups is gone. Peppa's cure hiccups does not say a word.
George, you've done it.
George, you do it all wrong.
I know a better
way
cure.
Cure hiccups. First, jumping up and down with 3 times, only one leg. And now,
wave your arms
and stick your
up and
down and stick your tongue out. And now, close your eyes and
turn around.
Close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times.
Peppa's new
cure has worked either. George still has hiccups.
I know. To cure hiccups. The ear piggy must be beginner shock.
George, I'm going to scare you.
But you must remember It's only
It's only game. It's only game.
it will stop your
When we start your hiccups, remember this is a pretend scare. Go! Peppa,
you mustn't play.
you mustn't play so much with George. Sorry, Mommy.
He's only
He's only little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just showing George what not to do. I know. What not to do.
Are you trying to stop?
Trying to scam.
Are you trying to stop George's
Trying to scam
George's
George's hiccups.
George
George.
hiccups
George's hiccup is gone.
have gone.
Have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig. The 2 big cups of juice.
George,
George,
if you drink
if
too,
you drink it too quickly,
you will get
you will get hiccups again.
I'm not
as
as little as
George.
I can drink juice
I drink it just quickly
as quickly as
but
I want.
I want
I want.
to
Good job.